The experts in the manufacture of candles have kept this secret with zeal. To begin, we will melt 6 conventional candles in a pan, patiently waiting for them to melt completely. Once they are in a liquid state, we will use a tweezers to remove the wicks from the pan and place them aside. Then we will take 3 plastic cups, similar to the ones shown on the screen, and carefully pour the melted wax into them, taking into account that it will be at a high temperature. For the first candle, we will add a sprig of cinnamon and some cloves, along with a tablespoon of red powder dye to give it an attractive color. Using a spoon, we will mix the ingredients to ensure a uniform distribution. For the second candle, we will choose the orange or yellow color, remembering that we can add alcohol, disinfectant, or other types of flavoring or oil according to our preferences. Finally, for the last candle, we will incorporate marine blue dye. The next step will be to use the wicks that we had previously removed. It is crucial to take these steps before the candle starts to dry. We will insert the candles into the cups and hold them with a cloth hook to prevent them from moving as they solidify. The final result should be approximately as shown on the screen. After waiting a few minutes, we can remove the cloth hooks and the wicks will be fixed. Thus, our homemade candles will be ready to be used. You can place them in the living room, the bedroom, the bathrooms, the kitchen, or any other place you prefer to add a spectacular and cozy touch. The candles will not only provide a pleasant lighting, but will also perfume the environment with their delicate fragrances and decorate your spaces with their charming colors. If you made it this far, leave candle emojis so that I know you saw the full video. Si es la primera vez que ves uno de mis videos, suscríbete para ser el primero en recibir nuestros tips.